Hi everyone. Today we are to watch how to send one mail to multiple people in Gmail. So, I am in my Gmail. Simply compose. I am making it bigger. Suppose, these are my message subject and message writings. Now, to send this to multiple people. Type the email address. When done, press enter. Now again start writing and you will be able to write more addresses. Altogether, I have written 3 addresses. Now you can also insert your other files like images, audio, videos and documents as usual. Finally click on Send to execute the task. So, this is how you can simply send mails to more than one people in Gmail. Please be with us and also inspire us to make more videos like this. Goodbye.